completed. Use ECM 0411. I'm just reading the file now because it's probably already deleted, so we'll see. If it do run, it ain't gonna run right. This vacuum port is wide open. I don't have a mass airflow sensor hooked up. I don't think the pump is strong enough. I didn't change the pump yet. Start and run and at least idle. It's gonna idle high as hell because the vacuum wide open right here. But I'll plug it with my finger. Get the fuck out of here. So I just bought 2 credits for HP tuners and I'm syncing them to the device now so I can make edits. Reading the ECU again just to make sure I'm not writing the wrong files to it. So what I did now, I just deleted VATs. I didn't make any changes, just straight up delete VATs. That way the engine, if everything is right, it will run without the anti-theft system on. So that's all I want for now. I'm not doing any tuning yet because it's just the first startup. So write is complete. So now I'm gonna exit out of that and save changes to the engine before I turn the key, like the vacuum port. Because this truck, the van has a hydro boost, so I don't have vacuum assisted brakes. So the vacuum port in the back of the engine is wide open. And I know that will just suck air and just make it horrible to run. So let me cap that off. Now I got the original, well, it's a new original fuel pump in the tank. So I'm pretty sure that's not going to be strong enough to run the LS, but I at least want to see what it does. See if the injectors are firing and everything like that. If not, I'll just try to use a little bit of ether to see if that does anything. But I'm going to open up the VCM scanner, do a couple tests on everything, just to make sure everything is powered up. And let's see what it does. Let's just see. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, because I don't have a fuel pump relay hooked up, I'm just going to jump the fuel pump just to see. Now let's see what it does. Okay, so wow, I'm pretty impressed. Let me check for leaks and be right back.